egg hair mask for silky, shiny and healthy hair. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel My Simple Remedies. I am back with another hair care video. If your hair is rough or too dry or too frizzy, if you just want to hair start growing faster, this is one of the best remedy to help all our hair problems. It also prevents hair fall. So let's get started. So for this you will need 2 eggs, 1 lemon, yogurt, castor oil. Castor oil which is optional but great for new hair growth. If you have oily hair on scalp, use only egg white, egg yolk for only dry hair and full egg for normal hair. Break the eggs, add to this about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh yogurt and then squeeze half a lemon. Add finally, if you want to, you can add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Mix all the ingredients well and ready to apply. Apply this mixture all your hair and massage for 3 to 4 minutes. Apply some extra mixture on tips to prevent split ends. Once you're done applying mixture, put a shower cap and allow to sit 30 minutes. After allowing the mask to sit on your hair, you can wash it with a gentle shampoo. You can use this mask up to 3 times per week for optimum results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it thumbs up and share with your friends.